Hi everyone, my name's Sam and I'm here to talk about some grooming tips, especially hair system. So I've had a hair system for about the last couple of months. I have had one in the past, but I did go for a period without them. So let me just fill you in a bit of my backstory. When I was about 20, I would say, I started going bald, mainly the recession first of all around here. And then a couple of years later, started thinning on the crown area until the point it sort of spread out a lot, and my recession got further back, and I just had a patch here and the sides of the hair. Um, I continued doing my hair however I could. I used to use Topic, which is the hair fibre, and kept on putting that in my hair daily. I wouldn't risk going out if it was raining. And then I just got to the point where I just had to shave my head. My hair was so thin that I couldn't really do anything with it. So going on many years later, I saw an advertisement for a company that wanted models for a hair system. So I thought I'd go and give it a try. And when I got there, I didn't really have the size grown out long enough, but being a model, they were just willing to give it a try and see how it goes. The first time the system was way too far back, did not look very good at all. The second time, mainly because I complained after a couple of days and they agreed, said, yep, need it redone. Second time I went back, it was done really well. So I had my first experience of having a hair system. The problem was I didn't last long having it purely because I had no knowledge on how to maintain it or really fix the lifts or what I would need to do. The salon was about an hour's drive away, so it was pretty difficult to get to, and I didn't really have that much equipment at home. So I only really had that system for about a month or two, and it was a bit disappointing really. I really enjoyed it, but I was not knowledgeable enough to be able to maintain it. That's the reason why I'm creating this channel today, to help people be able to maintain their own system from the very beginning, to ordering, to cutting, to fitting, doing the template and everything. All I can say is it has made my confidence a lot higher. I got to quite a bad level of confidence with my head. Not to say that being bald is bad. If you're happy with it, then great. But for me, I enjoy, playing with my hair, or I used to, and I get to enjoy it again now. And I probably do the maintenance on this once a week. I'm quite lucky, I've sort of got the space and the time because I work from home, so I get that extra bit of time at the end of the day when I finish before pick the kids up, and then it all kicks off again. But I want to be able to spread the knowledge that I have to everyone else. So please, if you have any questions, feel free to put it under the video, send me an email. I will do my best to help. I will be reviewing multiple companies, so like Le Vivid Hair, Lord Hair as well, and plus other hair system companies that supply them. This one I've got on right now is from China on eBay. I won't go through the details yet. It's something I will list in my other videos and give my opinions of. So, please subscribe. There'll be plenty of videos to come. I look forward to sharing my knowledge with you. Thank you.